Welcome to my at-home cafe. My name is Skylar, and today we're throwing my sister a surprise jellycat cafe because she graduated this weekend with a doctorate degree, and my goal was to plan something very special for her. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I planned and hosted this at-home cafe, and I hope this gives you inspiration to host your own because we truly had the best time ever. I'm gonna put these stickers that I got from the jellycat patisserie onto the cups and make them individualized because I just thought it would be a cute little touch because I have so many jellycats that I'm adding to the table. So I was like, this will be just perfect. Look how cute they turned out. Every single one has its own little jellycat. I actually got this one for her in Paris. I think this one might be my fave. It's like an actual cafe. Heading to Whole Foods right now because I have some things to pick up. I'm not gonna have time to bake the pastries myself, but I will be making the drinks. Going to Publix to pick up a couple of things for the actual at-home cafe because I was holding off till we're here to get it. So it's the night before Christmas, and we're setting up here. We have all these jellycats, and this is my event planner, Nikita. I'm gonna make the berry syrup, so I'm adding a cup of frozen berries. I'm gonna add another cup because I want to make extra, and some sugar. I know it's a lot. We're doing a surprise, so I'm trying to talk a little bit quiet so that we have a Keurig and some espresso, and then we got the sprinkles, the dot cake sprinkles, that simple syrup, and then we have some stuff in the fridge, matcha, my matcha set, all different jellycats from the jellycat patisserie in Paris, and then I brought some jellycats with me and straws, so I got these off Amazon. Okay, I just set up the brown butter chocolate chip cookies on this little tray. It's looking really cute, some guava pastries. So cute, Nikita. The voices are here. The voices are here. This is cafe.
How y'all doing?
Like me.
Oh, it's so cute.
Yeah.
Yay! Mimi's Cafe. Oh. Watch it learn.
It's Mimi's Cafe. Where's Mimi? Let's bring him out.
Thank you, Ladle.
Hi, welcome to Mimi's Cafe. What's special today is the Mimi.
Anyone.
this is the Mimi, the iced berry matcha, and then I have sweet cream cold foam on top with dot cake sprinkles. And then this is another sign. It's really cute. Do it in the center, it just kind of goes.
Okay, let me add sprinkles.
You know what I mean? I do it, but I'm not better behavior. So cute. Cute jellycat.
That's really nice. So I'm gonna picture that. What's the one that we like in my room?
Framboise. Okay, what do you think of this cafe? Would you give us 5 stars? 10 stars.
10.